Welcome to Product Critique, where we give you the best insights into the latest products. Today, we're talking about the Blackstone 1542 5-piece professional griddle accessory toolkit, and let me tell you, this is the best Blackstone scoop out there for anyone looking to elevate their griddle game. The Blackstone griddle is a staple for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, and having the right tools to go along with it makes all the difference. This accessory kit includes everything you need to cook like a pro. Inside, you'll find 2 stainless steel spatulas, a scraper, and 2 squeeze bottles, all designed with durability and efficiency in mind. Whether you're flipping pancakes or grilling up a steak, these spatulas are perfectly designed for handling food on your griddle top. The squeeze bottles are a game changer when it comes to adding water, oil, or sauces with precision. No more fumbling with messy bottles. These come with a graduated and ungraded design, making them versatile for all your cooking needs. Whether you're trying to maintain the right amount of moisture or just want to get that perfect drizzle of sauce, these bottles make it easy. And then there's the scraper, one of the most underrated tools for any griddle cook. This scraper is essential for cleaning up and ensuring your cooking surface stays smooth and ready for the next dish. It effortlessly removes any food debris or bits that stick to the griddle, keeping your workspace pristine. Another standout feature of this set is the convenience. Cleaning up is a breeze as all the tools are top-rack dishwasher safe, so no more scrubbing by hand. After a long cooking session, you can toss these in the dishwasher, and they'll be ready for your next griddle session without hassle. The Blackstone 5-piece professional griddle accessory toolkit isn't just about having the right tools. It's about enhancing your entire cooking experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned griddle master, these tools will help you work more efficiently, making your cooking more enjoyable. If you own a Blackstone griddle, this is a must-have addition to your cooking arsenal. It's compact, functional, and designed to last. So, whether you're making breakfast for the family or grilling burgers for a barbecue, this toolkit will help you take your cooking to the next level. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of your favorite products.